Well, it's starting off good. They got the wood and they got the smoke going. Okay, another good thing, they got a line, so the food must. What it do? What it do? What it do? And I'm back with another review. Where am I at?
Big Daddy's Barbecue and Soul Food.
Soul Food up here on 92nd and Capitol. We got some mac. We got some greens. We got some tips and shoulder. Oh shit. Almost definitely was juicy. Juicy, tender. I wish there was more sauce on it, but I'm not complaining. No napkins, of course. So I got the Big Daddy deal. It came to like $24. You get 2 meats and 2 sides and a soda. Tip. It's good. I wish they would sauce me. Get some more of the sauce from the bottom. Nice smoke flavor, tender on the tips too. Not bad. Let's see if they mac is macking. Is it a mac or is it a hoe? Let's find out. God damn, nigga, not get to it. It's the mac. No, y'all. Mac look a little dry. We're gonna see. Oh no, hell no. This macaroni and cheese is ass. This is just mac. This is not mac and cheese. This shit is just mac. This shit don't taste like nothing. This shit tastes like air. This shit tastes like a fork full of air. Where they got back there making mac, who they ass with? That shit ain't got a lick of seasoning on it. That shit tastes like it came from Karen house. Try these greens out. The green juice is kind of decent. Maybe they can prove me wrong, but they're kind of dark colored. They're not really leafy. Almost like a spinach consistency. I think these are glory greens dressed up. Them canned greens. Got a little bit of hot sauce on it. Y'all let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. I think these is canned greens. They decent. They canned greens though for sure. So far y'all can barbecue, but y'all can't make no motherfucking sides.
Best way to get that
making them sides, y'all need to tell them go back to the drawing board. This root beer good, and this barbecue good. Look at that. Tips and shoulder. The shoulder good. Nice and tender, fall off the bone. Nice char. But whoever did them sides, y'all need y'all ass whooped. Y'all need to go back to the drawing board with them sides, baby. I feel like I need to take that shit back. Y'all really just gave me meat because I ain't eating them sides. That shit terrible. That had been some of the worst macaroni and cheese I ever had. Hey, get what you pay for. That's it. The barbecue's not that bad. I could deal with the queue. Them sides are terrible, y'all. Decent barbecue. It's not the best I've had. It's like the top pieces was tender, the bottom piece was a little chewy. That shoulder's off the chain. The ribs is good, but kind of mid. Them sides, they just need to quit selling sides, for real. Just stick to barbecue. Don't sell no more sides, because them sides was ass. But hey, don't take my word for it. You can come try it yourself. It's out here in 92nd and Capitol. It's called Big Daddy's Barbecue. Big Daddy need to learn how to make some sides. He must have got Little Daddy in the back making the sides. Tell Big Daddy to get back to the drawing board, because them sides is ass. Deuces, y'all.